In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check sprint goal in Jira. If you need to quickly confirm what your team committed to during a sprint, Jira makes that much easier than it first appears. Instead of digging through lots of settings or project menus, you can view the sprint goal right from the main sprint areas, as long as you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open Jira, go into the right project, find the sprint goal in the backlog, and also check it from the active sprint board when your team is already working. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your Jira site. If needed, sign in through the Atlassian login page using your normal account credentials. Once you're on the main Jira home dashboard, look for the Projects menu near the top of the screen and select the project you want to review. This takes you into that project's main workspace where the sprint information is organized. Next, move to the left-hand sidebar and click Backlog. This opens the backlog view, which is where Jira groups work into sprint sections. In this area, your issues are typically arranged inside sprint containers, making it easy to review both upcoming and current sprint details in one place. Now look at the header area of the active sprint section. Near the sprint name and date information, you should see a label or link for sprint goal. This is the key area you'll use to check the team's main objective for that sprint. Click the sprint goal label or its small drop-down arrow. When you do, Jira expands the goal in line so you can read the full statement without leaving the page. This is the fastest way to verify the sprint's core focus during planning, backlog review, or daily coordination. If your sprint is already in progress and your team is working from the board, there's another easy method. Go back to the left sidebar and click Active Sprints or Board, depending on your Jira setup. Once the board opens, look near the top of the screen just under the board title. Jira displays the active sprint goal there, so the whole team can reference it while moving work across columns. Once you've found the goal, take a moment to read it carefully and compare it with the issues in the sprint. Make sure the user stories, bugs, and tasks actually support that objective. It's also a good idea to keep sprint goals short and clear so everyone can understand them at a glance. That's how to check sprint goal in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.